Hello friends, I welcome you all from Dreams World. Friends, nowadays everyone has a dream that he should have a good house, a good car, travel abroad, time and respect in the society. But friends, take out 2 minutes and think that what you are working today, can you live such a life in future? If your answer is no, you need to think again. Friends, today I have brought the best business opportunity, which has the ability to fulfill all your dreams. Yes friends, we are talking about the Dreams World. So friends, let's know about it's about us. Launched in 2014, Tether is a blockchain-enabled platform designed to facilitate the use of fiat currencies in a digital manner. Tether has made headway by giving customers the ability to transact with traditional currencies across a blockchain, without the inherent volatility and complexity typically associated with a digital currency. As the first blockchain-enabled platform to facilitate the digital use of traditional currencies, a familiar, stable accounting unit, Tether has democratized cross-border transactions across a blockchain. So friends, let's know about its USDT Tether. Welcome to our Tether, USDT, staking platform, where you can securely stake your USDT and earn attractive rewards. Our mission is to provide a safe, easy, and efficient way for investors to grow their crypto holdings while benefiting from the stability of Tether, a widely trusted stablecoin. And many more details are shown on the screen which you can check and verify. Talking about exchange, you will get the benefits of a big exchange like CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, CoinPaprika, Dextool, and many more. Now you can check the details of the founder of the system. My name is Alex Mitchell, and I am from the USA. Alex Mitchell is a visionary entrepreneur and the driving force behind Dreams World, a company that is reshaping the way people approach financial growth through innovative investment strategies. With a deep understanding of both traditional and emerging markets, Alex Mitchell has dedicated his career to creating platforms that allow individuals to secure their financial future. Let us now talk about types of income. You will get daily self-stalking reward, direct sponsor bonus, stalking level income, rank achievement reward. First of all, let's talk about stacking amount. So in this you can start with an amount of $5. And similarly you can start in multiples of $5. And as soon as you start with any amount in this, you start getting stacking income in it. So friends, let's know about its daily staking reward. In this you get a daily income of 1.5% on your invested amount for 15 days, and in this you will get 2% for the next 15 days, next 2.5%, and next 3% income, till your invested amount becomes 3x. And you can re-top up. So friends, let us know about working income, in which we will talk about direct income. As friends, you are taking advantage by joining this best and wonderful plan. You can include your friends in this, and as soon as you make friends join someone in this, then here you get an income of 10% income from each direct. And yes friends, here you can apply unlimited direct, and you can earn unlimited. So friends, let's know about its level staking income. In this, you will get income through 10 levels, and in this you will get 10% income on the first level, 7% on the second level, 4% on the third level, 3% on the fourth level, 2% on the fifth level, and from the 6th to the 10th level, you will get 1% income on each level. So friends, let's know about its rank reward income. When your team staking of $700, self-staking of $50 and direct staking of $100 is completed, then you get the rank of star in it. So in this you are going to get a reward of $3 on daily basis. If your team staking of $1,000, self-staking of $100 and direct staking of $300 is completed, then you get the rank of star in it. So in this you are going to get a reward of $5 on daily basis. If your team staking of $3,000, self-staking of $200 and direct staking of $500 is completed, then you get the rank of star in it. so in this you are going to get a reward of $11 on daily basis. And in this sequence, as you move forward, the details are shown to you on the screen. And in this your business counting is done in 40:60. So friends, let's know about its terms and conditions. In this, deposit and withdrawal in USDT, BEP20 only. Minimum withdrawal $5 and in multiples of $5. Minimum deposit $5 and in multiples of $5. Admin charge of 10% applicable on withdrawals. Continue earning. After receiving 3x income, you must retop up your ID to principal. Withdrawal is allowed, but 20% deduction will be applied on per withdrawal amount. Friends, this is a very great concept and is designed to give you income. Success comes to those who start early to achieve it. So you have to join this concept as soon as possible to brighten your future. For more information about this concept, you can contact that person who have shared this video with you, or you can also visit our website. Thank you all on behalf of all of you for giving us your valuable time.